Hey, what's up guys? Here with another video for you. Merry Christmas.
That's right.
This guy just loves to interrupt. Anyways, we have two mystery Amazon boxes. We have literally no clue what's in here whatsoever. They're taped from Amazon. We have 20 of these boxes total. You probably already saw our little sneak peek video we did on the back, but we decided to change it up a little bit for these videos. We're gonna do head-to-head challenges. We each picked a box and we're gonna see who gets the most money out of the box.
Me.
No, me.
Me for sure.
Me. So, if you like these types of videos, like the video please, subscribe. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a mystery box giveaway, kind of like this.
Mine's about 15.
Look at, listen to this guy, every
Mine's
time.
about 15 kgs.
Anyways.
Wants to hear you rattle? Keep going.
You lost my train of thought.
I
got it.
gotta be where you
And it'll
started.
probably be a mystery box similar to this. Some of the stuff might even be in there, and then we're gonna sprinkle in some Target stuff. Everything will be brand new, and it'll equal at least $200 of retail value, so might as well enter a free giveaway. All right, so we're gonna both open our boxes. We're not gonna look. We're each gonna grab in one item, pull it out, and then see which item's better, and so on and so forth. Throw it in our cart. At the end, we'll pick a winner. You guys let us know in the comments which box you'd rather have. Number 1 or number 2.
Well, like I told you, this is probably 15 to
Nobody
16
cares.
kgs.
Nobody cares.
Yeah, the weight's gonna mean something.
What if it's one heavy hunk of metal that's broken?
It's funny, they're almost identical in weight. They may be done by weight,
Maybe.
the items in size, so. All right.
Got your box cutter?
It's broke.
Oh my god.
It's broken. Box cutter's broken.
Should we hire this guy? I mean,
You can't pay me enough money to be here every day.
like, we pay you like $3 an hour for this type of work.
With you.
All right, ready? Slice. And we're not gonna peek, make it a little bit more fun.
Well, I mean, we're gonna try not to.
Because when I say we have no clue what's in here,
We don't.
It could be anything.
The seal, both sides, Amazon.
Yeah.
So that's what's great about it, is it could be anything. And I've seen some that, people claim they pulled out some really good stuff.
Yeah,
but
we're not gonna
we'll
put
see.
any iPads in there and say, oh, look what we got.
Well, some
I hope
do
there
that,
is one.
actually.
I guarantee some do.
Yeah,
All right, ready? You wanna go first?
I'll go first.
Pull out one item.
I kind of see some. I
Just
you know,
reach
I can
in.
see. I know, but I just here. Ooh, this is exciting.
Close it up. What do we got here? A tablecloth. That's
Yeah.
probably worth like $3 in our store. Good first item.
Well, because it's sealed, maybe $3,
Yeah.
like you said. But if it wasn't, we'd be giving on our dollar bin.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Yeah, I think you're gonna get a better item
I
than
don't
me.
know. Oh,
Maybe not.
these are like little gift bags for Halloween. Little gift boxes, so you fill these up with your candies, and then you just give away an entire box instead of a single candy. That's kind of cool.
I'd say that's
Maybe $2.
a little funners.
More fun?
More fun than a tablecloth that's grandma.
All right, let's
years
speed this
ago.
up. Otherwise, we're gonna be here all
No,
freaking
that's
night,
true.
and they probably want a 10-minute video.
That's true.
Oh, ho, ho.
Ooh, nice.
The heck is that?
They're all
Some
sealed.
kind of
Everything is
decoration.
brand new from what I could
Yeah,
tell.
that's nice.
Baby shower. Whatever.
Some kind of baby shower thingamajig.
Yeah.
A lot of the stuff will
Oh,
be in
that's
our,
right.
our dollar bins, or pretty much all this will be under $5, I'm sure.
A lot of this we're not even gonna look up because it's like $3.
Yeah, we'll just guesstimate. Ooh, Halloween
Puzzle.
1000 Jigsaw Puzzle. That's kind of cool, actually.
Puzzles sell
Puzzles
good
are
in our
popular,
store.
yeah. People like puzzles, especially right now. It's got Trump on it. This is probably, I'd say $8 to $10.
Okay.
So I'd say I'm winning right now.
Well, I better pull a good item out of here.
Oh, you're racking up the dough.
Oh my gosh, it's just some kind of like little.
It's like a Halloween
Like a
kit.
little
It's
kit,
got balloons, and then like it's Halloween decorations
Yeah.
basically.
Couple
Probably
bucks,
$1 or
yeah.
$2.
I will say these are packed.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. It's cool. Push, pop, bubble.
Oh my gosh, it's a cool little.
Oh, it's one of those popping, the fidget things that kids love. So maybe a couple dollars.
I should have mine ready.
You should.
Halloween glow stick
Wands.
wands.
It's kind of cool.
Oh,
Kids would definitely like that.
little guns.
Those don't necessarily have to be
wands.
Halloween.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, probably at least a couple bucks.
Nothing too exciting.
Two-pack,
But-
something hanging outside. So some kind of,
It says
Things
2-pack
outside.
hanging outside.
yeah.
There's a knife.
Let's see real quick, just because we don't have a clue what this hanging thing is.
Oh, it's just like a little decorative thing.
What the?
Wow.
It's broken too. No, it's not broke, but
I'll tell you what, Amazon sells anything
Oh,
and
anything.
everything.
I don't even know what these are. These will be on our dollar
Dollar
bin if
bin.
you're interested.
I kind of cheated here because I saw this, but
I don't think we're gonna be finding no iPads.
not fun. So another Halloween
Let's be a little bit quicker. There's a lot of stuff.
glow stick.
Here's some Halloween bags. The Halloween stuff we'll set on the back, and we'll save them for next Halloween. Get a little bit more money out of them, but a couple bucks probably.
I kind of like when I opened it, I could tell there's a bunch of these in here, guys. So
We could probably be a little bit quicker because it doesn't look like
here's
there's
a-
home runs.
another little different one. So there's a few of them in here.
Here's more of those Halloween boxes. I think these are actually cool, but once again, we definitely have to hold these, and we'll probably get $2 to $5 if that for
There's
these.
gonna be a lot of Halloween stuff in here.
Yeah, probably will be, but that's fine. Halloween stuff sells pretty good. Another one.
They're brand new. That's the good thing. These never been opened.
Well, here's a bunch of the same thing.
This stuff is brands thinking.
Yeah, witches hats. So these are little hats. I mean, they'll throw these on our dollar bin.
Halloween stuff does all right here.
Halloween stuff does
Yeah.
good. I grabbed a whole stack, so we'll just go through my stack real quick. Here's a little
Okay.
headband or something.
I'm gonna just get out the glow sticks.
Then
More I
more
can see 'em.
Halloween.
Two.
Here's something to do for 2021 graduation. That should go in our dollar bin now.
So I got 4 more of the glow sticks. What do you think? Couple bucks
Couple
each?
bucks each, probably. Those are pretty cool. Pack of 2. I don't even know, some sort of cover. Nothing great, I'll tell you that.
Yes, there's the same thing.
More
Well,
of
that's the
those.
same thing I've been getting.
Yeah.
I don't even know what they are yet, but they're some kind of little kit.
More of those outdoor things. Some kind of banner. Balloons?
Yeah, they're jumbo. Well, they're just big old balloons.
Oh, okay. Big old balloons.
I got something in
42
here. I can
punch
see
balloons, so they're
something
big.
in here. I have a bunch of them. I'm hoping it's
Let's hope it's
a
good.
little bit higher quality than what we're pulling out.
Here's it's a pool chair. Oh, an inflatable pool chair of some sort.
Something at least different.
Yeah.
So I just grabbed a few of these. Yeah, these are wonderful.
Yeah, those are
They're table
definitely little table mats, but a buck
mats
each.
and
40-year-old.
40-year-old.
Oh my god, I actually need this for next week. It's got a beer on it though, that's
yeah,
cool.
just have a beer on it.
Keep that.
I see something. on it.
Halloween hanging decorations. 1 spider balloon
I got the winner,
decoration.
and I'm gonna leave it in there because I kind of saw it. So I'll leave
Go to
in
pull it
there.
out if you got the winner.
All right. It's a Nest.
Yeah, if you wish.
Nest Logic. So it is a
It's a pillow.
memory foam pillow.
Oh, that's kind
So
of cool.
that's kind of cool.
That's probably
That'll sell
8
for
to 10
maybe,
bucks.
yeah.
That's not bad.
That one's not bad. I'll get an item out of there.
Dental
wow.
floss. Woo! That's,
Dollar bin.
yeah.
Let's see what I got.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah.
Custom box?
Mystery
This is-
box in a mystery box. You tell me what that is.
Round cylinder silicone candy.
Okay. Want to open up one?
Sure.
Because I have a bunch.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I see
This is
it.
what you were hoping was good?
Yeah, I see it off to the side. It's kind of hard to keep it mystery for me when I'm looking
I
at
know,
it,
I'm
but
kind
that's
of
all right.
peeking too. Not really peeking, but oh, it's like a silicone molds for
you can
ice
make-
or
you can make candy.
yeah, ice or
chocolate.
candy and stuff like
Yeah.
that. That's kind of cool. $1,
Yeah.
$2. Oh
Yeah.
wait, that's
That's
I'm
fine.
stealing it.
I'll tell you what. Right now,
It's actually.
neck and
I think
neck.
we're not gonna.
I
So
think
nothing-
they may be valued at a certain price per box.
It could be.
I don't know.
So nothing super exciting, but it's kind of fun because we had no idea what that was.
This would be.
Here's a good size box. I think you actually have the same box. Yeah, you do. silicone molds for ice.
Yeah.
You know, maybe $5 or something.
Yeah, so
You got that too?
yeah, I've got a bunch. So I've got a bunch of the candy. Might as well just pull it out now.
Yeah, the molds.
The molds. So I
The
mean,
molds are cool. People like that stuff.
we'd have. The problem is we don't know what's in it, so we're gonna have to pull them out.
Yeah.
Or actually show what they are if we get a bunch of them.
Solar LED star. That's kind of cool. It's like a LED light kit that hangs
Package real nice in there, isn't it?
beautifully. That's probably like $3. We just say what price we're gonna put in our store, so the prices are really cheap because we sell stuff really
There's
cheap.
another one of those shower. I think when it opens up to something.
Yeah, it expands to something. Oh, what is this? P100. 100 6-inch 6 holes sanders. Oh, sanding pads? That could have some value. For 100 of them?
Would be nice
I might win.
if that's what they are. Guys, it could be.
Oh yeah,
they are. They're sanding
Ooh, this
pads.
is gonna be worth something. It's 100 of these sanding
Yeah,
pads.
that actually, maybe we'll look that up.
Yeah, that one was look up.
Let's look it up real quick. If it's worth 20 plus, you won.
Pretty much. I actually think I have something else good in there. Oh no, that's it right there. $15 for the whole pair. Or
P100.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean,
Basically.
it's
No,
probably,
that's
probably the highest
$15.
value they pulled out of the box so far.
It might
Actually.
be. We'll probably
So,
throw that in
my
our store
turn?
for like $8 or something.
So
Somebody uses that. Yes, the
yes,
molds.
I've got the molds. We're seeing a lot of these.
Yeah.
A lot of these molds were probably pulled off their shelf.
Oh look, I got your candy mold in mine.
Oh, one.
Yeah.
That's funny. I wonder how this stuff is built. I wonder if there's just a bunch of people in a room and they're just putting things in boxes and
no
coming down a
idea.
belt. No idea.
Some kind of wall decor, maybe $1. You have much left in there?
A few more items. Nothing that's gonna.
Yeah. There's like a little
I want to get excited.
zippered pouch with saying on it. Here's some glass coffee mugs, 2-pack. That
Those
might
will sell here.
be like $5.
Yeah. And then
3 to 5.
really, guys, only got one more item in here. A bunch of items that are all the same.
Oh,
so.
you got the same thing I had. Those
Yeah,
hanging
those little
things.
hanging things. So.
You went through you had a lot of similars in your box.
No.
Here I got more of those pop things,
I don't quite even know what these hanging things are.
princess things. I don't even know either.
That's a lot
Oh,
of
here's some
items.
kind of charging thing. USB. Oh, it's just a USB cable.
Yeah. I want to get some like earbuds or something.
It's like a 12-foot USB cable. And we have 16 more boxes like this. They could be just like this, or they could be full of anything.
I think they're gonna change up
I
some.
still have a lot in here, dude. I think I won. Here's some measuring spins. $1.
Amazing how much they cram in these boxes.
Looks like little leashes or something. Another $1. And I got a bunch of these silicone scalp massagers. Maybe probably do $1 each on these. $5 more. Here's
You
some-
did a lot of stuff in yours.
Oh, I
too.
did. Here's
This is stuff.
some jewelry that says sister on it. So any of you have a sister that you love, you guys come on by, we'll give you this.
Yeah.
Isn't this the same thing you had?
A little different. I don't know what that is.
Let's crack it open.
It's a mystery box and a mystery box.
Mystery, and I got a mystery package.
So another thing in this business where these boxes, I mean, it's not a big deal. We're gonna reuse every one of these.
Oh yeah, the
These
box
are perfect boxes for shipping.
That's a good $2 box
Yeah.
if you needed one.
So.
Oh, I think they had one of these in the first video.
Oh
Yeah, it's a
That's
paper
actually-
towel holder. It's
yeah,
actually pretty nice.
You won.
At least $5 on that.
I
Maybe
think you
more.
won on yours for sure. You always get right. This was. I'm not happy with this.
Oh, you want to open up?
What is
Oh,
that?
600-piece stickers, Halloween stickers.
What'd you think it was?
I don't know. I just thought it was cool because it was. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's an outdoor decoration thing that you see like birthdays where they stick it in the yard and it's got the
Oh,
big
yeah.
happy birthday thing.
How much stuff you got in that box, bro?
I got one more thing, and it's a mystery. I'm not even gonna read the label. Let's just see what it is.
Is it like a kettle?
Oh. It
Yeah, it's a
is.
kettle.
You're a freaking genius.
Yeah.
We
Actually, it's
have
quite nice.
Opison, food grade. I hope it's
So-
food grade.
So guys, without a doubt, this box would be the one I'd want to get.
Champion of
If
the
you
world.
if you were buying these for,
This is
what do
probably
you
at
think
least
they go
$5 to
for?
$8.
I mean, what do you think one mystery box goes for out there? Probably
These pallets sell
30 or 40
for
bucks
about
a box.
$600 a pallet. So you divide that by 20 boxes. What are you looking at? $30 a box?
I was going to think 30 bucks a box.
Yeah.
So you had more than $30.
Oh,
right
easy.
there.
So did you.
I had more than $30 here, so.
We're not going to make a ton
If I
off
get a-
these boxes, but the other ones might be better.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I mean, $1 per item, I've got about 30 items.
Yeah, and some of that would be worth more than $1.
Yeah.
So,
we want to do, we can do one more video. Want to do another
Okay,
video?
yeah.
We'll-
so that's going to wrap up this
Yeah,
video.
we'll do another
Let me
one.
know in the comments if you guys like these types of videos. Because like I said, we have 16 more boxes. So we can do 8 more videos just like this. And we could probably get more of these boxes if you guys do like them. Hopefully the next ones are a little bit more exciting.
I know.
We got a lot of Halloween stuff, well, because Halloween just ended. And I mean, who knows what's in it. So do us a big favor, please. Smash that like button for us. Subscribe. Once again, at 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a mystery box kind of like this. Probably better stuff than this, to be honest, because we have a bunch of stuff from Target that's brand new and sealed, and just other miscellaneous stuff that we'll definitely be glad to give away to you guys for subscribing.
We should get there. We're going to try to pump out more videos, so more watch and more subscribe, so we can get to that 1,000.
Yeah, we're only
Because we'd
about
like to get-
380 away,
Okay,
so
so it's
not
growing.
much.
Yeah,
And
good.
these videos get, 500 views or so in the first couple of weeks. So if you guys subscribe, you guys could be winning a mystery box really soon.
We're going to give them we'll have a good mystery
Yeah,
box.
we won't.
We're not going to put a bunch
Yeah,
of
we're
this
not
in
going to
there.
give you a bunch of junk. We actually appreciate you guys watching, and we want to get this channel
We'll
up and
probably put a
running.
nice higher dollar item in there.
We might even
Two
make $300 to $400 value. Who knows? We got
Especially
a
if
bunch
the channel
of stuff.
starts to really take off.
And we could start doing giveaways more often too. Maybe we'll do it at 1,500, 2,000, every 500 subscribers, maybe something like that. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this one. Thanks so much for watching. Tell your friends, like and share.
Yeah, if you share
And,
the video, we're local, so the people that are local that watch this
Yeah.
come up here and
Do us a favor though, drop a comment below if you like this style video. I'd like to get these around 10 to 12 minute videos so you're not wasting too much time.
this one was.
This one is probably good, at least
Well,
20 to 30, but it's our first
Yeah.
ones, and we'll go through the next ones really quick.
Yep.
All right, guys, have a great
All right,
day.
guys.
See ya.
Peace.